Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a new model called Devstral from Mistral AI. This model is designed for software engineering tasks, which means it can be used for developing the programs. You can use this for debugging the code as well. Devstral is built under a collaboration between Mistral AI and All Hands AI and outperforms all open source model on SWE bench verified by a large margin. So this model is performing much better than other models. So its performance is between uh, 45 to 50, and it is outperforming all other models. This model can be used for agentic LLM developments. This model you can use as an agent in a software development environment. And let's try this model. So it's a best open source model for coding agents. So let's download this model in Ollama. Ollama is already installed in my machine, and I'm going to run this model using the command Ollama run devstral. It is around 14 GB and it's going to take some time. Now Devstral is downloaded and it is running on Ollama. I asked write hello world program in Java. This model is using around 14.5 GB of RAM from NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB. It generated this program and it is correct. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.